How to log into Green Employee Portal. Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show how you can easily log into Green Employee Portal. First thing you have to do is search for Green Employee Login on your web browser. Then click on the first link, Green Shades Sign On, and tap on it. So if you can see here, you can scroll down to find the Green Employee Payroll login as well. So you can access whichever one you want. So the first thing you need to provide here is your email or phone number. Now once you do that, just go ahead and enter it and then tap on sign in. The next step is to provide your password. So just go ahead and provide your password next, and you should be able to sign in without any problem. What you can do next is you'll see a forgot password button down below to recover your password. So just go ahead and you can just tap on it to recover your password. They'll send you a recovery link or a code down below, and you should be able to recover your password in no time. You could also check this box to do that, and then you should be good to go. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.